Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Webull account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, on the address bar, type in webull.com and click on Enter. You will be directed to official homepage of Webull. Now, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see Login button. Click on it. After that, you can type in a phone number and a password to log into your account. Or you can also log in using your email. Click on Email Login option. I am going to log in using my phone number, and you need to type your password on this field here. You can also view your password by clicking on this icon to make sure that you have typed the password correctly. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the respective link and follow the instructions to reset it. Now click on Login button. And that is how you can log into your Webull account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.